AI has existed as a field for decades. Why should business leaders care so urgently right now? The answer involves technology reaching maturity, intensifying competitive pressure, and unprecedented accessibility converging simultaneously. The timing is uniquely important. AI tools became dramatically more capable in recent years. Tasks that were completely impossible just 5 years ago are now routine operations. Language understanding, image recognition, content generation all improved enormously and rapidly. Cloud platforms have completely democratized AI access for all organizations. Small businesses can now access the same powerful AI capabilities as technology giants. You no longer need massive infrastructure investments or specialized technical teams to begin. Your competitors are actively investing in AI capabilities right now. Those organizations successfully automating cognitive tasks gain sustainable cost advantages. Those personalizing customer experiences better win market share. Waiting passively means falling behind. Customer expectations have shifted permanently and irreversibly. People now expect personalized recommendations, instant service responses, and intelligently tailored experiences. AI technology enables meeting these heightened expectations at scale affordably. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT made AI tangible for everyone practically overnight. Employees and customers now expect AI capabilities. Organizations not adopting AI increasingly appear outdated. Adoption pressure intensifying from all directions. AI is now accessible, remarkably capable, and competitively necessary. The strategic question is no longer whether to adopt AI eventually. The question is how quickly and strategically you can implement it effectively. Business imperative clear. Next video covers essential AI terminology you will encounter frequently in discussions. Speaking the language confidently matters greatly.